GE refrigerator model GSE23GGKCC error codes. Preserve your food in this 23.2 cubic feet side-by-side GE refrigerator. Its indoor ice maker dispenses water, cubed and crushed ice, and the water filtration system uses a replaceable MWF filter to remove trace amounts of pharmaceuticals for better-tasting beverages. This side-by-side GE refrigerator is ENERGY STAR certified to reduce your energy costs. Error codes. Code FF. Problem. Check frozen food for thawing because the temperature is rising too high. Code PF. Problem. The power to the refrigerator has been interrupted. Code C. Problem. Check the ice maker for proper operation. Code D. Problem. The defrost system has not operated properly in the last 24 hours. Code CC. Problem. Check the temperature controls because the temperature for the refrigerator is incorrect.